Christmas. In the morning we have cake for breakfast. It's usually a traditional German marzipan cake, but I couldn't find any this year and I didn't want to make it. So this year we're trying an Italian cake. It comes in this beautiful paper, or at least it did at Trader Joe's. I'm really excited to open it because I think it's so pretty.
Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah.
Hi. Okay, let's see here.
No.
Oh.
Ready?
Yes, are you ready? Okay.
Ooh. Never saw a sock box. That's kind of neat. Little coffee themed socks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. It's my lunchbox! It looks like the green Lego.
Her current lunchbox is falling apart.
It is so bad. Armani, come here. Armani, you got a present? Do you want to open your present? This one's like a little candy cane. Little bone. He's done with Christmas. In years past, we would just sort of graze between breakfast and dinner time, but last year I was craving pastrami so bad. I sent away for us to receive a packet of pastrami and corned beef and smoked salmon from a deli in New York, and it's become a little bit of a tradition here. This is the second year we're doing it, so 2 years in a row makes it a tradition, right? Now we're gonna make pastrami sandwiches. So here's the pastrami and the mustard and the bagels. The spousal unit has gotten into them for his smoked salmon bagels. And I have the skillet on, and it's almost ready. Let's make some sandwiches.
I'm loaded.
I count the hours and minutes till the last week of December. For me the Christmas spirits flow as early as September.
This is dinner. We're having ribs and potatoes. These are our favorite potatoes. I think they're called alkaline potatoes because you boil them first in baking soda water and then bake them in the oven until they're brown. It's delicious. And that's our Christmas day. I hope that you had a very Merry Christmas and that you're going to have a very spectacular New Year. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.